Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters One Design as well as Saturday Morning Makes. I'll have Jillian Norwood's channel linked down below, which is the host of Saturday Morning Makes, as well as Girlia's Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva. And she is Lisa. So let's jump right in. This week we are using birds, My Creative Times little bird there, and I don't know the name of it. It's kind of wiped off. So anyways, My Creative Times bird. And this is another set from My Creative Time. And I don't know the name of this one. Oops. Hold it. Wait a minute. Fun Tweet Me Dies. And this is an old set. It is retired, so you won't be able to get this one. But I am using from there, from the stamps, I'm using Sitting Love Your Way as well as You Make My Heart Sing. And then the coordinating dies that are on here that I'm using would be the branches, the envelope, and the little notes there. I think that's all that I used from there. I made two cards, so I'm showing everything right now. The cute heart dies, and I used the largest ones from both sets. I am also using heart label dies, and I want to say I'm using these two, or rather these two maybe. And from this one's retired. So, and this is called the zigzag background die. And I thought I would pull that out since I hadn't used it. I purchased that on one of her discount sales. I mean, not discount, but retirement sales. And then from here, I want to say I'm using this size circle. And this is called Bunch of Fun Dies. So I'm using that circle there. And then for the inside of my card, I'm using the Infinity dies from Hero Arts. And I have one more die. I'm using this die right here. And I just used the inside cutout from that. And I think that's it on the products that I used. But let me share both of these cards. We'll start with this one. I really like this one. I used craft background. And as you see, I layered that zigzag die there. There goes those stitched heart tags or label dies. Love those. There goes that You Make My Heart Sing. The bird turned out so cute. I made it as a cardinal on this one. And there goes that. And these are two different branches that I used. This is from her old set, and this is from the actual bird set. So that's that there. And then there goes the inside of the card. I thought I would use one of those label tags in the inside just for a little bit more interest there. And then there goes that Infinity die set there. Love that. And then here goes this one. This is the one where I used the heart die as well as that little envelope. And then this is that other branch that comes with this die here. Sending love your way. And then, of course, that zigzag background die in the background. And then I also pulled from that zigzag background and I put some in the inside there. So love both of those. And that is what I have for you on this week. Please make sure you head over to the ladies' channels and see what they have been creating and join in on the hashtags. All right, thanks so much, everyone. Check out the pictures at the end, and you all have a blessed and crafty day.